For all my ladies in the world, you know what, I love you, girl. Especially when you say, hey, hey. She says she like when I put it in so. Says she like when I take it so. And now we got to have more. You know sorry. Yeah. For all my ladies in the world, you know what, I love you, girl. She said she like when I put it in so. Said she like how me take it slow. Said she love how me now go low, but straight love making, that's all she know. Said she like when I put it in so. Said she like how me take it slow. Said she love how me now go low, but straight love making that. Hey listen, a Rasta man know what she want. She don't want no party, she want the Rasta put the fire. She don't want it up here, she want the Means, me a young youth, I like talk to youth. You say me a day, cause I find say elders like Frank find it a joy if you can talk to you like we, if you know say you're firm and we're strong. So you see when youth firm and strong, youth will come heights other youths to be firm and strong to narration. You say me a day, a cappella me a drop this my band, so you don't have to worry. What is it you want? If I can sit down punk corner, if you get some education in your brain. What is it you want? If I can own a big house, big car, or if you lock up the lane. What is it you want? If I can bleach out your face, or if you look like the ones who did enslave you. What is it you want? Hey, what is it you want? Say long time me a talk, some never want listen. See they know my friend end up in a prison. John no say them this if you tell the truth, I miss you, but one of them not that she when me so see you, hey. So let me tell you what's the real ghetto story. How the youths are rise to prominence and get glory. How we go a prison killer dozen man before me. Blessed love and greetings to the Celestia.
Well done, Rasta Chai. Portmore artist. 2013, you'll be getting a lot of them. Guaranteed. From tonight, inside a Luton Fyah, outside of Portmore, we present to you is real,
Father, blessed love and good night, Luton Fyah. He's gonna cut no pick here. And as him said, happy birthday again. More than that, say it down, I'm gonna start it lively. Lively, give me something. As I said, that's a child can represent. I will name it fit for start with a prayer. Alright then, wake up this morning, we say I to me neighbor. Say shot it down fire last night if you're not free. Under the bed, him did a cry to be savior. I pray for the good man, them change them years. Them say them want get darker than fear. That they want the whole alphabet, the ears and the ears. And we live in some perilous years. We wonder if earth have a change. We have to need a priority to run the devil away. Do you hear what I say? Yeah, a priority to run the devil away. Where the world can't play, yeah, you're right. Keep the tempo, don't shake it. And remember this, Babylon no love no truth and right. Them not no big gods for the human life. And when you come here, they bright like sunlight. They want to be they keep dark up a light. And you die for man no love no truth and right. Now no regards not for you need the right. And if you think that you want to excel the mic, I'm going to tell you what it is like. And give the book to you, them a face injustice. Yes, it don't forget to eliminate equal rights and justice. Israel advocate for the class and creed, potential and race. But woman need to know yourself and know your space. The woman have an argument, God for you always. She should have done for self, no poor on the base. You see what the one that's a bad place. She don't want to listen. Live the one to the start to the people, and live you know. The people that we have to say now, please come to the know what I want. How many of these are the from the people? Push out, it's in the way of this. The people that they are flying, they do some poor people, face and power. sell on Princess Street. Poor people be sell on Garden Street. Roma East Street Street and all East Street. Poor people be sell on Bedford Street. Poor people be sell on Princess Street. Poor people be alright, because of this, don't be like that. You're not somebody street. I'm sure I'm going to Orange Street. Your hair is not coming to Orange Street. This is it, I'm top line from the industry. I'm a people that want to do that for you. You're not doing that, I'm just going to do it. Just go do it, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to do history. Take it up and tell me who's calling you. Take it up from the industry. All you want to do, just do it. Yeah, what's John?
What Israel?
John, you ain't no family, my woman and my yard. Be a problem, she
You know what I did?
She stuck on the internet. She come in some late hours. She don't have enough food. Look at boy Pampers hang all the way down here saying no man that's a boy. Be a problem. So if you know my position, we can really tell us. Hey, back up your things and go on, girl. I wanna read your partner. Hold on, let's start the show. When I bet they need a code and beat us. And then if you come in and get stepfather, you get a 100 man. And while you there 100 man, it's a 100 man a feature. You understand what I'm saying? So the one come on and have a one later. Remember that salvation. Infidelity is a stepfather there. You understand? Come on, you tell them. Back up the things and boy and girl. With your fuck the world, they are saying never makes a trouble. I would be lying. I know they love you, but run river. All of your things and run over. They can't bother with your angry word. We now say never nice like West. Yes, it is nice like West. It was better than a girl when she come on. No longer, she no want the Rasta man chant. I tell me say she can't take me chest nasty. Short skirt and that's how she want wear up one. It looks like she took on Facebook and tap. She not feed me, you not change him one pass. Before I know say she and another man did our standards. Me think that you scandal, not for good. And say, back up your things and boy and girl.
Greetings in our joy, we say give thanks, we just perform a Jungle Fire. You know the thing, we give thanks to the opportunity for the upon Links TV, and Links TV was here to see it. So we give thanks to Selassie, blessings, Every time you come around me, I get weak. And it feels so good to be watching Links TVs in the street. Whenever you say you have to leave, girls, I can't sleep. And I've slowly realized Links TV's made your life complete. Blessed love, Selassie. Pick!
Yeah, man, you don't know how you sell the cotton pick and we're there. You see it. Links TV, we are representers really out. And as you see it, from music we can't retire so long as they are Jungle Fire. So that's good music. You don't know, Israel just do him thing, Rasta Jah do him thing. Little Kirk is there. If you know, say every week we have a guest performer. Pack up your things and go, young girl. Can't bother with your pop down girl. We not say it never nice at first. All Link said this nice at first. For you hear the pick, you know my lyrical dexterity nasty. I'm gonna take last thing. Pick.
They don't say Israel a while ago perform, and a Jah, right now we are checking Little Kirk over there, Jungle Fyah and Portmore. It's all about every Friday night, live bands inside Jungle Fyah. Only Links TV are going to exclusive. So watch this. We are taking Little Kirk performance now. We so come back, turn up, loud.
Long time we don't say we don't it. We don't stop. We never do a 9-to-5 job yet, so we always working Europe side and Jamaica side. But you see, if we just blaze it. So if you love the Almighty God, let me hear you say, yeah! No demon can't conquer the Almighty. Ready for them, yeah? Blaze it. So, my life here, get to rain it on. So many things inside, so many eyes out. The Mondays of the planet, Light it up for me. See we rise down. The blessing of the Most High. Every time that we light up, every time that we light up. See, the monster, your seat will never stop playing the band. Happy birthday, yeah? Skullman Foundation, Black and White, speak of yourself, bro. So, rise up. Cause I'll be satisfied, waiting till tears from your eyes. I'm all alone, still you thought I was telling lies. Are you satisfied? No one's with me tonight, no. Just with a mix, just with a just with a dance of you out there. Don't feel for children, the love of Jesus Christ. If I don't have a with a come and them don't have a smell. If you know you can just sing along. So righteous, yes. Wicked general, big up yourself, you. It's like this. Should I have faith in you? Should I put my trust in you? And should you let me down? And should I let you rest? And why should I think this way? Thinking that you're going away. There's no place to stay. Together and all. Oh, why should you? I can't hear you. When someone has sound. Foundations come and do myself good. We don't play with it here. Look at General Frank. Stay safe. So we rise, so we rise, so we rise, so we rise up. There's something you them sing. It's like this. We love this is for the youths live incarceration. Got to live right, no kill no more man. Don't rape no woman and sing no damn songs.
You gotta keep on moving and Link Stevie. You get to one more chance to make it right, and now one more chance. Link Stevie, say check it.
Tell all viewers them on Links TV what you think about this Friday night band stings in a Jungle Fyah, Portmore, right behind Ken's right now, the hottest thing. What you think about this Friday thing here?
The hottest thing, man, authentic music, live music I come back, you see it.
Right now people, let me tell you this, imagine live bands. We don't get that nowhere else. Jungle Fyah. Every Friday band, so they might bring back the flavor there. The nicest there. So you also respect the Jungle Fyah. Cause people remember jerk chicken and pork and beer things and food and beer things there at Jungle Fyah. Is it mad? So come. Let me tell you this. When I pass through the crowd and look, how am I say? Skull man! What going on?
Original, see it. Black hair, you don't know a Scottish mentality. A beer fatality will drop to the fire called the jungle. Jungle Fyah, you don't know.
No, I love to saw the star them there on Friday night at Jungle Fyah inside of Portmore behind Ken's Wildflower. The hottest thing, Jungle Fyah have whole heap of jerk thing and food and everything. So, may I ask a question, what do you think about this? Bands, live bands on a Friday?
Really and truly, you know, it's a Jungle Fyah. It's like a training grounds for all the original artists them. You get a live band, me say, a Scottish mentality, a beer fatality, you see it.
Alright, and you don't know, a music we say. So guess what? We'll go back in there now, because we have a performance left, a Jungle Fyah with there. Dollar Sign have a drop a thing, Skullman have a drop a thing, and guess what? Black Rock have a drop a thing. Watch we soon come, boom!
Them around the place. Any girl come no board of this, so they dance up here. Every man want a board up on them here. When you put it on your body, coming like a earthquake. I talk about them, now board them tongue. I just know them all of the girl, them were young. Me want to see to hold it up with the bubble gum. When you open the sugar and me whole body numb. Girl, when you in a bed and lie down, you make me get blood and come. Now some special guests there. When favorite song is playing. Can you please just turn it up? Hey, got my money, here to party. Drink is in my cup. We step up clean, and the clothes them match. I make them a breathe, diamond in my watch. Girls are breathing, me them a watch. That's how we do it when we step in the street. Become a step out clean, and the clothes them match. I stop breathe, when you want, and I get listen. Me say get fun up, some boy cannot get dead wet. See when me party crazy, can me get them? Me clean from the cat straight down to when me crack them. Me give them up, get me, them money and a bet me. On me BlackBerry phone that cannot text me. She tell me say she wanna be my first lady. How much she love me and she wanna have my baby. And me say me make them cannot get crazy. So me clean and me close them. And she wanna go see like money on me. No.
If you don't mind watching TV, if you have your BlackBerry, take out your BlackBerry. Cause some girl are hype on them a black cherry. If you see a man buy a girl a curve, you know say she a tickle in nerve. And you see a man buy a girl stamp, you know say FYAH body it a go on. And if you see him buy her the big boat, you know say she a get feel vote. And if you see him buy her the big touch, he might go marry her next year, man. If you want to love your baby, you don't buy her that BlackBerry. Don't buy her the one call box. This next year you wanna go chat. Don't buy her the one that have the flashlight. I know you're not still a fight. Don't buy her the one with the peanut. Hey, she have to find out say you broke. Be a special guest me here. But first thing, them you would have said that straight. Them man about the devil. First thing, go over and relax, man. You know it's all across. Blacker, a Links TV, and a Jungle Fyah. So we're up about a fire. Yo, why some boy walk on bad mind this? Why them don't walk on I like this? Things where them up in a house I like this. No one but casting, no one that is a give me a minute. Why the bad man to a tree? When the girl them just want the most. When I let you be a man, I let go of this phone. I let you be a room, just your hero. You know that's not the ear. Find time to let her go. Hold up, because now we're Links TV. 2 months break, me give my 2 month break. 2 months break, me give my one job. After me get a New York in the United States, me get a phone call from me Gretchen a race. Beanie and Shibada, fights with pace. Assassin boring, can't keep up to the pace. Bounty down ya big girl with a man at them face. My mother down ya, but him last in a space. Do what them make one mistake. Should I never met the teacher come through the gate. It can't be they know him would have
Bums, so where they don't know say a sign alongside other friends, I don't know Links TV, don't know Jungle Fyah over there, and the thing turn up. May I tell you say yo, we just done perform and a BA vibes, I don't know things set up.
And other friends, I may I say yo, Jungle Fyah, every
last Friday.
Every last Friday, so you can look back for me again the next last Friday, isn't it? I look for my video, pass and gone for Links TV. Don't say I read.
See it? Remember Hail Mary video, that thing there. I see Links TV, and I don't know what thing said. Bums!
You see enough of them? Them can't take me talk. You want the some boy. Some boy dirty. Them dirty too. Jingle down in the jingle. But let me tell you about me and roll the eyes, spread the flower, break the photos, breaking up the kitchen, with no one of your back when the body breaking. Young girl, does a man in the big book, and the other man, let me tell you something. Right town man, them a killer, splash out boy, now a popular. You still for them, still for popular. You know how long you come here? I'm going to ramp with you. Jump in the CD. People buy the man that will love woman. Any boy when I love woman leave out here. All of the man that will love woman put up on her. No. Hey, shine it. Pull up. Watch out 18. Shine the light. Every man that is silent and now put up woman. People the man that will
love woman every time.
17. We're not clear. Don't sit low. Ladies are correct down. Listen this. If you have a gangster and your gangster take care of you, don't disrespect him. But any boy we have this, you want to do. Ladies, when you sing back and forth, when Marcus say, hey, I'm on daughter tonight. Sing. Hey. Every woman here, I bet you there, you can't name. So what you say, my name? Spice is here, pull up. Pull up. Come Spice. Come Spice, people lock down in here. No, I'm not going to tell you.
The donkey, I say me a fan of my child. You want to give the girl them some fun already them first and then the remix it. What is that? Them a know for tip on them toe, but look for some now more with a bag of kids. What already? If when you told me you run on the back, me and you was cheating. No man gonna work and him not come back. You can't watch your hand out, it no matter. What the bad man them there? Alright. You would think I'm a two and pull your body up a shot for 12 and then brain 13 and your back parasite in your brain like a jumping dog.
Come on in off the axe, how is the man? You know it's other cross. You're the bad man them from Bricktown there. Say that. Yo, if you don't show us that you're the boy, help you put on your underpants, let me stop and go up so. And some more come on and touch you like I'm a bad man. And I make man feel them up. Say if you know, make the boy feel your Bricktown. Someone lock up in a house, burn them out of that. Lock up in a car, voodoo, burn them out of that. We're very single band man, burn them out of that. You have been finding ways, they must have those out of that. Lock up in a house, burn them out of that. Lock up in a car, voodoo, burn them out of that. We're very single band man, burn them out of that. Watch it now, no? Man a gangster, when we knock the chat out of that. Some peace, tell them tough, we do about that. Cool in the pen. Yo, what a them a match, man a real old girl is. Man a go in that, to the room, say. Where they don't know, say a sign representing to the press from me and say, yo, real gangster, them soon on up here like say, no. I don't know. The girl is the money in our place, from the same thing. Alright then, money me still a make it, them girls guns is this, they keep on the boy, me still a waiting. Why did them take it, if you don't receive a getting? So tell a cool check, me sign them got the place already. When them cross up it, the champion of up it, the chance of me cup it. So let them pass the watch it, style them on me got it. If you don't chop it, say power me walk it. Pop it up and flop it up from style. Each and every day, money girls and girls have to shoot them how I know, as how I know. Think of every artist, you know the thing, like, you see me? You know what I'm doing the work, so think of yourself. You know the day I run enough for doing the work.
Well, you don't know somebody are correct on right now, you don't know go Links TV. I guess I woman there beside her. No, I see me a mistake thing and the place I talk about the donkey. Well, go on, my friend, what's up?
Black are your bad, me there.
Yo, yeah, hear me, you don't know, sir. Yeah, my friend, you don't know people. I say, boy, I'm my sister, so you don't know me, a man, but I'm not busy with that. But me love what you do, you go sting, you do your thing, that great, and you name what you name. So right now, me know you look forward for better things for 2030, because me don't know you have to turn up your thing right now, because you name what you name.
Yeah, I just start me on some good music for 2013, because you don't know me, I leave 2012 behind. And there's some good music, I say, I just test some of that. Yeah, straight.
Well, you don't know, you know. So, I love that. So, Spicy, so guess what? We're there at Cracktown, the biggest thing. So, we are going to watch it. Spice in the building.
Hey, man, what them here about? Wait.
Mad. I don't see it. No, your song up on the countdown and I go hard, you know. How you dealing?
I've been around the world and I've seen so many girls and a prosperous new year. God, man a man.
more health, more strength. You don't know. Keep it grounded. Alizé representing 2013 and beyond. Coming strong. Link TV. Check it out on Flow. This is how it go. Alizé live in Craigtown. You know the thing go. Digo, Umbla, Sissy, we are dark.
What's up, baby? Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, the party shot.
So, what you say for 2013? What's your view on this coming 2013? What you want special for 2013 for you?
Well, I wouldn't mind the next crime. For a party. I mean, we are here to enjoy ourselves. One life to live, so live it.
Love that. Looking good. So you don't know Link Steve every time.
Okay, Barry G. Signing out.
Yeah, man, right now. Me see you there, enjoy yourself. Right in a Craigtown. So what you say for 2013?
Yeah, man, it's a good look. I know a crew that same way. One link. Craigtown is a good look. Link Stevie, it's a good look. Michael the boss, you know. Manager, WAF, airport. Yeah, man, the thing turn up. You hear that? Stand five girls, them thing turn up loud. Yeah, we know a part. Them nice, them sexy, them look good. Blacker, like you man, Rambo, see that? English. Video man, English. What on there? English. You hear that? Thing turn up. That's not Nino.
Man, we're still there at Craigtown. The party turn up loud. So come back, more views.
Man, I swear to God, I love you for that shit. Why you had to get me? Because I don't tell me. You was
right now, I'm there with a pretty girl. Right in a Craigtown, cause the girl done turn up by Link TV. She did at the party. The party I go hard. What's up, baby?
No much less than big up for the party. The party shot straight. Big up Lady and Judy and Crystal straight. Stand five girls them all the way, yeah.
I'm not telling a lie, you shot. So, what you say for 2013? What you wish for 2013 for you?
Right now, I can't even talk a whole evening. I swear.
Alright, you're looking good, baby. Yes, darling. Mad.
I'm the world's greatest. And I'm that little bit of hope. When my back's against the walls, I can feel it. I'm the world's greatest.
Somebody's right, I don't say for party right there. Proud of yourself, if you ever don't say 2013, I come, you're proud to be alive. Give myself for the song, girl.
I get wings to fly.
Party, we come to party, you know.
I'm alive.
Here we go. Give me guys, I'm gonna say come to enjoy yourself. You look good now, your white party, yeah. See your shoes down, boy. You walk up and down, make a song. You walk up and down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sit up, Grace. You're not a birthday, Billy.
I just did.
Be the Portmore Radios. Big up the sound.
I'm glad that I'm alive. When you wanna know, baby.
Because we have a nice team friend that will clean inside out. Because my baby, because my nice team man, Banton and Half Pint, them say, up there. Because my two pretty baby, them no borrow, no lend, no give. Because we nice skin clothes, no girl no give, no girl no borrow. Any girl want to take my man, them free for go with him. And a girl can't take my man from me, a girl have to take my man. I want this on girl. Because me, them say alright, I'm going to lily white. Because I'm a tree baby, because I'm a set it all through them. Clean! My white and bad color, clean. Because them boy, we say them boy are clean. And because I'm not skin son man bed, and because I'm not skin mother. I want the bad.
Set it off. Bravo, butter. Hey. Bravo, butter.
No clean.
Everyone was going to say that. Early Shelly, the girl that love it. Murder, watch out.
Yeah, Links TV, big up my friend Poochie, Ziwi, with their correct tone and all white, big up my all white, lily white, and a bad color white, and a wash out white, and a bleach out white, and lily white. Big up all white, big up everybody who come all white, big up Poochie, big up yourself.
I hate that one.
I hate that, big up